Hello everyone, welcome back to Rides Book. Today we are going to talk about the 2025 GMC Hummer EV. The 2025 GMC Hummer EV SUV marks a new era in all-electric performance and luxury, combining rugged off-road capability with cutting-edge technology and eco-friendly efficiency. This striking SUV brings the iconic Hummer brand into the future with an electric powertrain that promises unparalleled performance while delivering the comfort, features, and versatility of a modern luxury SUV. Whether you're conquering rugged trails or cruising city streets, the Hummer EV SUV is built to redefine the electric vehicle experience. The 2025 Hummer EV SUV brings a fresh interpretation of the bold Hummer legacy, reimagined for the electric age. With its instantly recognizable design and advanced features, it stands as a symbol of what's possible when innovation meets power. This all-electric SUV is designed not only for extreme off-road adventures, but also to provide a smooth, high-performance driving experience on paved roads. It blends high-tech luxury with sustainability and powerful capability in a way that only GMC can. When it comes to performance, the 2025 GMC Hummer EV SUV is nothing short of revolutionary. Equipped with up to 1,000 horsepower and 1,200 lp-ft of torque, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour, and in the powered by GM's innovative Ultium battery platform, the Hummer EV SUV delivers exceptional range with an estimated 300+ miles on a full charge. What sets the Hummer EV SUV apart is its four-wheel drive, 4WD, and 3 motors, providing instant torque to each wheel for remarkable traction and control on any terrain. The SUV also boasts magnetic ride control and adaptive air suspension, allowing you to adjust ride height for optimal comfort and off-road readiness, while the crab walk feature lets you navigate obstacles with ease by allowing the vehicle to move diagonally at low speeds. The 2025 GMC Hummer EV SUV commands attention with its rugged yet refined exterior design. Built on a super strong aluminum platform, the SUV showcases a modern, aggressive look with a wide stance, sharp lines, and bold front-end styling, complete with a distinctive LED light signature. Its removable roof panels give it an open-air feel when desired, while exterior cameras enhance off-road visibility and allow you to see more than just what's in front of you. The Hummer EV SUV also comes with massive 35-inch tires, offering maximum ground clearance and excellent traction for off-roading. The SUV's underbody armor ensures that the vehicle is equipped for the toughest trails, offering both protection and durability while keeping weight to a minimum. Inside, the 2025 GMC Hummer EV SUV is a luxurious and tech-forward environment. The spacious cabin offers seating for up to 5 with high-quality materials and finishes throughout. A large, customizable infotainment touchscreen serves as the heart of the interior, supporting the latest GMC software and providing connectivity features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and super-fast 5G capabilities. And the vehicle also features premium leather seating with heating and cooling options, and ample storage space for gear, making it the perfect choice for both everyday driving and long trips. For off-road enthusiasts, the transparent sky panel roof and removable glass panels give you an unmatched connection to the great outdoors, while ambient lighting enhances the cabin's luxurious feel. As an electric vehicle, the 2025 GMC Hummer EV SUV offers a clear advantage in fuel efficiency, with an estimated range of over 300 miles on a single charge. Thanks to its advanced Ultium battery technology, it ensures lower operating costs and zero emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice for those who want power without compromise. When it's time to charge, the Hummer EV SUV can achieve over 100 miles of range in 10 minutes of charging using DC fast charging technology, allowing you to spend more time on the road and less time waiting at charging stations. With the 2025 GMC Hummer EV SUV, GMC has redefined what an electric SUV can be. Its combination of earth-shattering performance, innovative off-road capabilities, futuristic design, and luxurious interior makes it the ultimate all-electric vehicle for adventure seekers and everyday drivers alike. Whether you're tackling the toughest trails or navigating urban streets, the Hummer EV SUV ensures you do so with style, power, and sustainability. It's not just a vehicle, It's a statement of what's possible when the future meets the road. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe my channel for more updates.